Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator SC-300. You can download the complete list of Microsoft-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on SC-300 is: how do you configure Azure AD authentication methods policy to enforce stronger authentication requirements for users accessing sensitive applications? Your answer should be: Azure AD authentication methods policy can be configured to enforce stronger authentication requirements such as multi-factor authentication (MFA), passwordless authentication, or conditional access controls for users accessing sensitive applications or resources. Our next interview question is: what are the different deployment modes available for Azure AD application proxy, and when would you use each one? Your answer should be: Azure AD application proxy supports two deployment modes, on-premises and cloud. On-premises deployment mode is used for applications hosted behind the corporate firewall, while cloud deployment mode is used for applications hosted in the cloud or DMZ. Our next interview question is: how do you configure Azure AD Connect Health to monitor and analyze the health and performance of Active Directory Federation Services ADFS infrastructure? Your answer should be: Azure AD Connect Health for ADFS provides insights into the health and performance of ADFS infrastructure by monitoring authentication failures, federation trust status, certificate expiration, and other critical components. Configuration involves installing the Azure AD Connect Health agent on ADFS servers and configuring monitoring settings in the Azure portal. Our next interview question is: what are the benefits of using Azure AD B2B collaboration for enabling secure collaboration with external partners and vendors? Your answer should be: Azure AD B2B collaboration allows organizations to securely share applications and resources with external users while maintaining control over access permissions and security policies. Benefits include simplified external user management, centralized identity and access control, and support for partner integration scenarios. Our next interview question is: how do you configure Azure AD Identity Protection to detect and respond to suspicious sign-in activities and security risks? Your answer should be: Azure AD Identity Protection can be configured to detect suspicious sign-in activities such as brute force attacks, impossible travel, or risky IP addresses. Configuration involves enabling risk detection policies, defining risk levels and remediation actions, and monitoring risk events in the Azure portal. Our next interview question is: what are the benefits of using Azure AD application proxy for remote access to on-premises applications? Your answer should be: Azure AD Application Proxy provides secure remote access to on-premises applications without exposing them on the Internet. Benefits include pre-authentication, single sign-on, integration with Azure AD conditional access policies, and simplified application publishing. Our next interview question is: how do you configure Azure AD Access packages to manage access to groups of resources for specific users or groups? Your answer should be: Azure AD Access packages allow organizations to group resources together and grant access to specific users or groups using self-service access requests. Configuration involves defining access packages, adding resources, specifying assignment policies, and managing access requests. Our next interview question is explain the concept of Azure AD identity governance and its role in managing access lifecycle and entitlements. Your answers should be Azure AD Identity Governance provides capabilities for managing access lifecycle, access reviews, and entitlements in Azure AD. It helps organizations enforce least privilege access, improve compliance, and streamline access management processes. If you are preparing for any Microsoft based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.